State your name, rank, and serial number. Colt,
What?
how old are you?
7.
How old are you?
I'm 8.
He's
Yep.
8.
Me?
Yes.
10.
10.
Are you 10? All?
You.
How old are you, Ashley?
How old are you? I'm 8.
You're 8?
He's 8.
How old are you?
13.
Please hold still, you
We know
guys.
how old that girl is. 10.
Look at me for a second, would you? Zach.
I thought that was her, so I looked over that
I
way.
only had one picture.
Who cut your hair?
Who?
You.
Me? Fuck. Dude done it.
Buck?
A dude down in Lewis. Everyone keeps on asking us that.
I know.
Did you get over here? Did you take a picture over here by the fountain?
He's getting
No, get over.
I mean, by the
Here,
fountain.
go by the fountain.
We'll get Grandma by her new fountain.
Yeah.
Sure you will.
The clean fountain.
That thing looks nice. The paint job is.
Don't do that. It'll fall off.
That was cool.
Yeah, don't. Hang on.
This is fun, man. It's like a family outing.
We want to see the fountain, too.
Yeah, we want to see the fountain.
God, this is awesome, Terry.
That was my toe.
Cole, stand over there by Zach, and
That's my favorite.
there you go. Stand by, Ashley.
Take a picture, please.
It's Grandma's bird
Thank
bath
you.
that I got for her. Katie.
Stand still.
There,
Be
accidental.
Hi,
Getting
guys.
her picture taken.
I was putting funny ears on
Walk
you,
around.
and she was putting funny ears on you.
You're mobile.
We'll go over here and look at Grandma's garden. Sorry for the bumping. Trying to maneuver.
That now, if you take a picture of it in about a week, it'll be like 2 times. That one's taller than my dad over there. Tallest one.
There's broccoli, peppers, sweet peppers and hot peppers. Tomato plants. Swing over here. Glimpse of
I know.
some of Grandma's other flowers.
Hi.
Hey, dude.
Nasty, huh?
Big guy.
Farm food, you said?
We could get them out.
There's the barking dog.
I want to take a picture of your.
Hey, man, leave her alone.
I think she's trying to tell you.
She's eating this.
Hey,
Colt.
hey, don't.
Yeah. Slug him. Grandma's left hook.
Walk this way.
Are there any snakes
know
in
it's
here?
like-
Yeah, there's one. Ow! I bit my leg.
And it lives right
Guys,
in your leg.
now don't step on him.
Where?
It lives in that hole right there.
I'm leaving you.
See, I'll plug it up.
Like you're looking at the flowers, okay? Aren't they gorgeous?
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay.
I don't want to look at these things for long. I'm just kidding. It's a yoke.
Wait.
I tried spider.
I said an ant. I'll cut it.
I'll take one this way now, in case I didn't get quite all of it.
Johnny!
Yeah, hold still. No moving.
Oh, this is my eyes. I'm moving.
Ash, come put your shoes on.
Good idea.
Did you see our tomatoes we tied up yesterday, Brad? Terry and Gordon.
There's all these insects.
Is that on?
You got any red ones yet?
Okay.
And these
This is
are
weird.
zucchini
Is it on?
that we
Yeah, I want to make sure it's focusing.
It is.
Spiking in these with fertilizer.
Now, people think. Come here, son. Come here. Now, these people
I'm at a funky point. I'm on point.
Zach.
It's like wave or something.
We're gonna, there he goes. Now we got him.
Bear. I want to be like that guy on. I want to be like that guy.
You guys are ruining the pictures. get out of the way.
I want to be like that guy on, I forgot. Never mind.
It's lunch. You still gonna eat lunch.
Okay.
Got my sweet pepper. Lunch.
Sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. I guess.
You want some more?
Nope, that's it.
There's a baby.
Nope.
Oh,
What?
the baby. Give it to that.
Here's another one.
This one's for you.
Oh,
That's about size.
Good job.
look.
Call it a pepper.
Look at Zach's pepper.
This is good.
You pulled that one?
No, it
Eat it.
fell off when we pulled it. That was-
Can we eat a pepper? Look at. I'll eat it. I'll eat it. I'll eat it. I'll eat it. Go ahead. I'll eat it. There.
Cecil B. DeSchneider.
Oh, shit. Bit the end of it.
Ah, this thing is
like
I'm going to take a picture of my
What's it doing?
Brad is standing among my flowers.
Go get your football.
Is it focusing?
yeah, I was
Oh, someone bit off of this. Bit it. Pass the ball. Pass the ball.
Right here.
Shirley's at 5:46 if I see it on there.
Oh, over the fence.
That was smart. Go get it.
Be quiet.
Hey, Zach. Say something to the camera. What? Come right here. No, not that close.
He can't throw it.
No, not that close. Say something.
Casey gets her a lot. And when if you don't want to, you just press the button if you don't want to take any pictures.
I'm not pressing it.
Okay. Alrighty. There we go.
Not so hard it gets in the garden.
Rough him up a little.
We probably wouldn't even notice for a couple of weeks.
That's good.
Oh, Cole, you're too small.
You eat peppers?
Cool.
Oh, that's the first time you caught the ball, Blake. I didn't get that on film.
Oh, cool. Zach stole it from you here.
Zach stole it from a 10-year-old. An 8-year-old stole
Here,
it
Mom.
from a
Mom.
10-year-old.
I'm going to take a picture of this.
Tip.
Here, just put your camera down and try this.
We're not paying
Okay,
attention.
just look. It's already filming. So just put your hand through here. See this little thing? Just a way to hold it. And just point. Whatever you see through there, you're taking a picture of.
Oh, you press this?
No, you don't press
So
this.
let's play interception.
See that red light on the bottom?
Yeah.
That means you're taking
Oh,
a
it's
picture.
just working
It's
all
working all the time.
You're filming people right now.
Yeah. Just don't move it back and forth too fast. It'd be blurry.
I'm not moving.
I can't play.
Oh, you mean I'm moving?
No, you're doing fine. Whatever you're pointing at, you're getting a picture of.
1,000. I just got a black ball so no one else gets it. What was that? Is there passing interference?
Step on your dog. You know, Ashley's gorgeous. She's always been gorgeous since she's a little girl. She's never had an awkward age, you know.
Right to me.
She's got those bucky teeth now. She's got my old spinners.
Oh, please 1,000.
She,
Maybe throw it at the
this time I picked her up, I really noticed it.
She
Geez,
was
overnight.
the first one to get it. Hold
Wait till the boys start in.
She's already gone through 3 or 4 of them already.
Hush, Steve.
And if you get tired of filming, you just hit the, why don't you take a picture of all your flowers.
Okay.
Point, it autofocuses. Whatever you point on, it'll focus on.
Can you hold it down? Or
You can hold it whatever way you want. As long as whatever you're looking at is filming right now. Let me just push a button. Just hold still. No, you're doing great. Great. And then if you want to zoom in and take a close-up, in fact, well, you take those pictures and I'm going to show you something, a trick.
I'm looking at that one there. But I don't see the color.
Oh, it's black and white. What you see is black and white.
Oh,
But
I see.
it's taking a color picture.
Oh, I see.
So if we take it home and put it in our VCR, it'll come out in color and sound.
And sound.
No cuss.
And sound.
Hey, don't start playing tackle because we gotta go.
Now, point over toward Ashley or whoever you want.
Yeah, you
And
gotta wear the.
there's a button. I'm
You
gonna
gotta wear
just
that
keep looking.
Yeah.
I'm gonna and it's right here,
What?
right up here. Through a touch of your finger. And
Wait,
it'll
Susie, I touched.
zoom up on it. Just push that button
Down.
down.
Okay.
And zoom and just hold it down and it'll zoom in on Ashley.
Oh, hold it down.
Yeah, hold it down. See her?
Uh-huh. Now I see. Blank. Okay. And back.
If you want to pull back, then you hit the other direction, widen out, give you more. You won't focus through. So if you press right here, then you tie it.
Boy, they have grown up. Those two little kids that walk down the aisle together. Well, Betty and Margaret's sure getting their house taken a lot. I'm just not taking anything. I'm not focusing day.
Press this button right. No. Right.
Backwards. I can go backwards now.
Just hold that down.
Oh boy, that's a good one to pull.
She applied directly back to Minnie. Chicago.
$102 for a round trip ticket. That's pretty cheap.
My ticket is 731. No, wait, 451.
Denver?
700?
Yeah.
You're kidding. It used to be 200, wasn't it?
Yeah, but you can get them cheaper, but on short notice, it's pretty tough.
Oh,
Hell, the plane's already going now.
See, then when you hit this wide angle, then it pulls back and you see the whole area.
oh, I
But if you want to focus in on just one,
Come on, guys, we gotta run. We gotta get you back.
Well, why did you wait so long to come over?
Shit, we've been on the run since she got here. She's only here a week, so.
Oh, a week. I was thinking she had 11 days. Word.
First date.
They want to know if they can come over.
We're not gonna
no,
do that.
No, no.
okay, here we are.
We are going to the airport in a little bit to take Ashley to the airport.
Where are you going?
Just going home.
Back home.
Whose bug jar is this?
But we can go with them. You can use that. No, mine.
They had fireflies.
We were at Worlds of Fun yesterday.
There.
And get her a little package of those.